Hey everyone! Ready to transform your blurry images into crisp, scalable vectors? Today I'll show you how to vectorize any image using Inkscape. No more pixelation when you resize your artwork, just clean, sharp edges. Let's get started. You can download Inkscape free from the Microsoft Store. Import your image into Inkscape. I'm using a Nike logo for this demonstration. When you zoom in on a regular image, it gets blurry, but we're going to fix that by vectorizing it. Select the Bezier tool from the toolbar. Click around the edges of your image to create a path. Don't worry about making it perfect just yet, we'll refine it soon. Refining the path. Switch to the Edit Paths by Nodes tool. Click and drag the nodes to adjust the curves and lines. This step ensures your vector matches the original image closely. After that, select and drag down your vector. Adding color. You can add any color, but if you want to match the original color, then click the color picker and select your color. Once you're happy with the path, select the original image and delete it. Now you're left with a vector outline. Your vector image is ready. No more blurriness, just crisp, clear edges. Increase or decrease the size if needed. Ready, go to File and Export as PNG. Here, you can view the image in both JPEG and PNG formats. Each format serves different purposes. JPEG is ideal for photographs with smaller file sizes, while PNG is perfect for images that require transparent backgrounds and lossless compression. That's it. You've successfully vectorized your image. Easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.